So we're told that Arturo spent a total of $12,000 on his mortgage payments. I'm going to call it M, real estate taxes, and home insurance. I'm going to call that I. And that's the sum of those three quantities. Question is, how much did he spend on his real estate taxes? So what is T equal to? Statement 1 says the total amount that Arturo spent on his real estate taxes and home insurance, T plus I, was 33 1/3% of the amount he spent on mortgages. So 33 1/3% is really just a third. So with this, we know T plus I is 1/3 M. We can replace that here, and we can solve for M. So we'll know what M is, and that would tell us what T plus I is, but we don't really know what T, the breakdown is between T and I. So 1 alone is insufficient. 2 says the amount that Arturo spent on his real estate taxes, T, was 20% of the total amount he spent on his mortgage payments and home insurance. So here, M plus I is equal to T over 0.2. 0.2 is really 1/5, so that would be 5T. So we can replace, I'm going to actually rewrite this relationship. 12,000 is equal to M plus, and I'm moving that I over here just because I know that M plus I is equal to 5T. So this is equal to 5T plus T. We have an equation with one unknown, which is T here, and we can solve for T. So statement 2 alone is sufficient. And this is a very typical GMAT question because you have three unknowns here, M, T, and I, and you have one equation in the main stem and another in the second. So you only have two equations, but it's enough to find the value of the variable that you're looking for because you just need the sum of the other two quantities. So 2 alone is sufficient. Keep an eye on these types of data sufficiency question, and the answer is B.